In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add advance payment in Zoho Books. If a customer pays you before you issue an invoice, you'll want to record that amount as an advance so it sits as a credit on their account and can be applied to a future invoice. This keeps your receivables accurate and makes reconciliation easier later. Start by opening your browser and going to books.zoho.com. Sign into your organization if you aren't already. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the left sidebar and open the sales section. This is where Zoho Books keeps everything related to customers, quotes, invoices, and payments. Inside sales, click customers. You'll see a list of all your customers. Find the customer who sent the advance and select them to open their profile page. It's important to choose the correct customer so the credit lands in the right place and can be applied to their upcoming invoices without any manual fixes. On the customer's page, look toward the top right area and choose New Transaction. From the options that appear, select Customer Payment. This opens the payment form where you'll record the advance. Even though you haven't created an invoice yet, this is still the correct place to capture the money received. In the Amount Received field, enter the exact amount of the advance. Double-check the currency if you work with multiple currencies and make sure it matches the customer's currency settings. Next, choose the payment date. Use the actual date the funds hit your account so your bank reconciliation lines up cleanly. Then select the payment mode to reflect how the money arrived, such as bank transfer, cash, or card. Picking the right mode helps with reporting and audit trails. You'll notice there's no need to select an invoice here. When you record a payment without tying it to an existing invoice, Zoho Books treats it as an advance or excess payment for that customer. It will appear as a credit on their account, ready to be applied when you create and send the invoice. If your form shows optional fields like reference numbers or notes, adding those can make future matching even faster, especially if you manage many payments. That's all there is to it. You went to books.zoho.com, opened sales, chose customers, selected the right customer, started a new transaction, picked customer payment, entered the amount, and set the payment date and payment mode. With these details captured, the advance is safely recorded as customer credit, and you'll be able to apply it to the invoice the moment it's ready.